I'm going to show how to create dropship PR in this video. Before you start the PR, you will need to identify the location where you want to dropship to, and then map it with its entity code, IC account, location, and department account. The information can be obtained in this documentation. Here's a snapshot of what this spreadsheet looks like. For example, we are going to ship to Mexico. This is where we're going to get the entity code and also IC account. And then the next tab will show the location code. As you can see, sometimes you have more than one location code. If you're not sure which one to use, you can always contact finance for clarity. And then there's another tab that shows the department number. And in this case, for Mexico, we will use the department code reference here. So let's see the copy of the spreadsheet, the real documentation. This is how it looks like. So in Mexico, we will get this. Again, the entity code is 110. IC account 11190, and then the department list for Mexico, location code with the entity code 110. You can see that is 060 or 061. In this case, we will use 060. And then for the department code for Mexico, you can see the department code here. So now you have all this information and you can start creating the PR. So let's try one. So I have a sample of the PR that's ready for doing the dropship. So by default, when you create a PR, you will have this, for example, switching all your hardware account. So the first thing you do is that you change it to 000. Okay. Since we're going to dropship to Mexico, so we'll be using the Mexico account number, which is 111960. And you will leave this sub-account and project as 000. For Mexico, the intercompany account number is 110, so we'll put 110. And then for the location, it's 060. So this is the department code that we grabbed also. So it's 027854 for Mexico. This is the product account number, so it's 64040 for dropship. And then for the sub account, it's 000. And then the project code is 000. And then the charge department is your department, the hard CHG department. For example, in this one, we are using my switching, so this is 21514. And then the project code, which is the your clarity code. So we will just pick one here. And then we are set. All right. And then the next one I want to talk about is the dropship with the VE account, how to do so. So VE has a special process, different than the VU. So before you start, please contact the finance, VE finance. Typically, we talk to Shannon, and make sure that the project code, which is the VE project code, matches all the new entity in the iProcurement. Otherwise, we are not able to create the PR. So first thing is that if you have a new project code that you need to create the PR with the dropship, contact Shannon, your VE finance, and then she'll create it in the system. Usually it takes about a couple of days. After that, you will need to contact the IT, send the information via email or open the case, and then let them know that the new project code number need to map with the entity code, either Mexico or whatever country code that you need to create a PR with, to map it. Otherwise, the PR will not recognize the VE project code and we cannot create a PR. Okay? So here's an example. So for the difference, this is the department code that we will use the VE department code, and the project code we will use the VE project code. And same thing here, we will use the VE department code and also the project code. So the VE department code can be referenced through here. So in this case, we will try to create one for India, dropship with VE account. All right. So we'll use the similar PR. So same thing, we will change it to 000. All right, so for the India, so this will be 111156. And then again, we leave this as a 000. So for India, the company is 123. So location for this one, I use 030. So this is the VE department code that we get it from the list. For India, we use 03441. Okay. And then again, this is the photo account number of 64040. And the sub account is same 000. So this is the VE project code. So if you did not get the IT to map it for you, you will not be able to see the project code and you will get an error when you create this PR. So in this case, because this is already being contacted, so it's recognizing it. All right. And this is the US VE department code. And again, we put one more time the project code here. All right, so that's it. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.